Achieving brighter, healthier-looking skin at home within a month is a journey that revolves around consistent care, natural remedies, and mindful lifestyle choices. It's essential to approach skin brightening not as a quest for unnaturally fair skin, but as a way to restore your skin's natural glow, even out tone, and reduce dullness or dark spots accumulated from sun exposure, pollution, stress, and daily life. Here's how you can transform your skincare routine and lifestyle to reveal your skin's brightest, most radiant self, all from the comfort of your home. Start with a clean foundation. Bright skin begins with an effective cleansing routine. Every morning and evening, wash your face with a gentle, sulfate-free cleanser suited to your skin type. If you have oily or combination skin, look for ingredients like salicylic acid or tea tree oil, which help control excess sebum without stripping natural moisture. For dry and sensitive skin, a cleanser with glycerin or hyaluronic acid keeps your skin hydrated and soft. The goal is to wash away impurities, sweat, and environmental pollutants that can accumulate and dull your complexion. Exfoliation is the key to rejuvenation. Dead skin cells can build up on the surface, making skin appear lackluster and tired. You want to reveal the fresh, bright skin underneath, so exfoliate 2 to 3 times per week, no more, to avoid irritation. You might choose a physical exfoliant with fine natural beads, or opt for a chemical exfoliant with alpha-hydroxy acids, AHAs, or beta-hydroxy acids, BHAs. AHAs, like glycolic acid, gently dissolve the bonds between dead cells, while BHAs, like salicylic acid, penetrate pores, making these especially helpful if you experience breakouts or blackheads. Always exfoliate at night and follow with moisturizer to support your skin's renewal process. Masking is a secret weapon for immediate brightness. Once or twice a week, treat yourself to at-home masks with naturally brightening ingredients. Honey is a natural humectant, drawing moisture into the skin and giving it a luminous glow. Mix a tablespoon of raw honey with a squeeze of lemon juice, rich in vitamin C and capable of fading dark spots. Apply the mixture to your face, leave for 15-20 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Another excellent choice is turmeric. Combine a pinch with yogurt and honey for a soothing, glow-boosting mask. Turmeric is renowned for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant qualities, helping to fade hyperpigmentation with regular use. Don't underestimate the power of toners and serums. After cleansing and before moisturizing, use a toner with natural extracts like rosewater or witch hazel to balance your skin's pH and tighten pores. Serums containing vitamin C are particularly effective at brightening skin. Vitamin C is a potent antioxidant that fights free radicals, boosts collagen production, and fades discoloration, all crucial for a radiant complexion. Apply a few drops after toning, gently press into the skin and allow to fully absorb before moving on to your moisturizer. Hydration is essential for bright skin. A well-hydrated face looks plump, smooth, and reflects light more evenly, contributing to a natural glow. Choose a moisturizer with ingredients like hyaluronic acid, squalane, or ceramides to lock in hydration. For an extra boost, especially at night, apply a few drops of facial oil such as rosehip, argan, or jojoba oil. These oils not only nourish and repair your skin, but also help seal in the benefits of previous steps. Never skip sunscreen. Exposure to ultraviolet, UV rays can deepen pigmentation, cause new dark spots, and make your skin look worn and uneven. Even on cloudy days or when staying indoors, UV rays can penetrate windows and affect your skin. Apply a broad-spectrum SPF of at least 30 every morning after moisturizing. Reapply every 2 hours if you spend time outdoors. This step is non-negotiable. It prevents darkening and helps maintain the results of your other treatments. Your diet plays a surprise role in skin brightness. A healthy complexion starts from within, so nourish your skin with antioxidant-rich foods like berries, oranges, kiwi, spinach, and nuts. Vitamin C-packed foods support collagen synthesis and naturally brighten skin, while vitamin E helps repair and protect. Drink plenty of water throughout the day, aiming for at least 8 glasses. Hydrated skin flushes out toxins more effectively, reducing puffiness and enhancing clarity. Regular exercise increases blood flow, delivering more oxygen and nutrients to your skin cells. It also helps the body eliminate toxins through sweat. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise, like brisk walking, jogging, or yoga, most days of the week. Don't forget to cleanse your skin after working out to remove sweat and dirt. Don't overlook proper sleep hygiene. Cell rejuvenation and repair occur during sleep, so aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality rest each night. Create a calm, dark, and cool environment for your bedroom, and try to wind down with relaxing activities like reading, deep breathing, or gentle stretches. Rested skin looks renewed, fresh, and naturally brighter. Consistency is the foundation of effective skin brightening. While you may notice some immediate glow after certain treatments, achieving lasting brightness and clarity takes at least a month of dedicated care. Avoid harsh products or trying too many new things at once. This can irritate the skin and set back progress. Stick with a routine, introduce new treatments gradually, and listen to what your skin tells you. If you're dealing with specific issues like stubborn dark spots, acne scars, or melasma, targeted treatments may help. Look for over-the-counter creams with licorice extract, kojic acid, or alpha-arbutin. These botanically derived ingredients have been shown to lighten pigmentation gently over time, without the risks associated with stronger prescription treatments. Here are a few additional home remedies that can complement your routine. Potato juice is a folk favorite for lightening discoloration. Simply grate a raw potato, extract the juice, and dab it gently on dark patches. Aloe vera gel, either straight from the leaf or as a reputable pure gel product, soothes redness and accelerates healing. Papaya contains natural enzymes like papain that aid exfoliation and can add radiance when applied as a mask. Just blend a piece of ripe papaya, apply for 20 minutes, and rinse away to reveal fresher skin. Remember to avoid harsh remedies and old-fashioned bleaching creams. These can cause more harm than good, leading to irritation, sensitivity, or long-term damage. Patch test any new ingredient or mask on a small area of your skin before applying it to your entire face. Lifestyle matters just as much as topical care. Minimize stress by incorporating relaxation techniques like meditation, deep breathing, or spending time in nature. Avoid smoking and limit alcohol intake, as both can rob skin of oxygen and nutrients, encourage the formation of free radicals, and accelerate aging. Be gentle with your skin at all times. Avoid scrubbing harshly, picking at blemishes, or using overly hot water, as these habits can contribute to inflammation and dullness. Within a month of committed care, you can expect to see more even skin tone, improved texture, and a healthy, natural radiance. Your skin will look its best not because it is artificially lightened, but because it is cared for, protected, and well-nourished. It's important to celebrate your skin's uniqueness at every stage of the process. Glowing skin comes in every shade and tone, and true brightness is a reflection of health, confidence, and self-respect. Treat your skincare routine as a form of self-care, an opportunity to reconnect with yourself each day. In summary, brighten your skin color at home in a month by adopting a gentle but thorough routine. Cleanse, exfoliate, mask, tone, treat with serums, hydrate, protect with SPF, and nourish from within through diet, hydration, and healthy lifestyle choices. Avoid harmful chemicals or shortcuts, and remember that consistent, holistic care yields the most beautiful, glowing results. The journey to brighter skin is less about chasing trends and more about honoring your natural beauty, one small, thoughtful step at a time.